Hey guys, third time's a charm, right? I don't even know if I'm live right now because it said I have a low connection for some reason. And so I'm just gonna check my computer to see if I'm on live with you. It says I am. Hey, why don't you say hello and let me know if you can see and hear me okay? And if you can, that'll give me a better idea. Third time's a charm, right? Good morning, everybody. Okay, so it says that I'm live, so I'm hoping that you can see and hear me okay. Let me pull up what I'm looking for here. Okay, so today is the final BOGO, or this is kind of a BOGOT, for doTERRA's buy one get one free items for this month. They've did things a little bit differently. They're always keeping us on our toes, keeping us surprised. And today's BOGOT, really, because it's a buy one get two free items. When you get a bottle of Spearmint, then doTERRA is going to send you for free, is going to send you Tangerine and Lemon. And I am personally excited about these. I have these diffusing actually in the wild orange. That's our name for our rig in our fifth wheel that we travel in. I have those diffusing in there this morning. So uplifting. I know, technology, totally. So I'm curious, how many of you already have these oils in your home? Because these are really great, especially as many of us are thinking about kids going back to school, if you're a teacher going back to school, going back to work, as kind of seasons begin to shift over the next month. And so I'm going to talk about why these oils matter. So Spearmint, doTERRA Spearmint is actually sourced in India. I love this oil. In fact, my kids love this as well. And it's important to know where it's sourced, because it matters in the potency of the oil when you find out where it's sourced. You want to find out where oils are sourced in their native locations. I mean, there's other factors that go into making an oil that I would want to use, but sourcing is very, very impactful. Good to go. They're lovely together. Yes, they are, Samantha. So do you have all three of these? So this BOGOT, this buy one get two free items, will be available for 24 hours for today only through 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So compute that for your time zone. Samantha, where are you joining in from? So this oil will not only freshen your breath, but it also, those of you who are friends with me on our personal page, last night I was sharing about how this has helped me with confidence in speaking. I love the way it smells. So whether you battle shyness or speaking challenges, you can apply this topically to the throat. You can also add a drop or two to your drinking water to help provide more confidence in your speaking abilities. Is also helpful for digestion as well. So that's kind of a bonus. But then you also, it tastes great as well, so it helps keep the hydration. There's lots of different bonuses for it, which we all need to bump up our water levels, right? So I actually shared that I use it in this speaking blend that I have, and I love it. Samantha in Texas, yay! Okay, so I love applying this roller bottle, this homemade roller bottle blend that I use Spearmint in this, along with a few other oils. And I really feel like it's been helpful to me with connecting. I would say that speaking is not my forte. Communication is also not a gift necessarily of mine. Now, communication sciences and disorders and diagnosing what's going wrong with communication, yes, I am an expert in that. I actually do have a master's degree in that. But it's not been something that I've been gifted in, but I've noticed a theme in my life that I have many times been forced into situations where I have to speak in front of others. And that's a yikes situation for a lot of people, right? Even if communication isn't difficult for you. And so this is really great, especially going back to school if you have kids that are shy, or maybe they have specific speaking challenges, that they can use this to feel a little bit more confident about what they're saying. And if you'd like the recipe for the speaker's blend that I personally use and love, you can shoot a private message to me, or you can put in the comments speaker's blend, and I'll share that blend with you. Okay, so spearmint, so great for freshening your breath, digestion. Aromatically, I love the way it smells. It's very uplifting. It's very alerting too. If you don't like the intensity of peppermint, spearmint may be your game. They have some different benefits, but as far as like a mint, if you like spearmint better, you may like that one better. Tangerine, this is actually my favorite oil for inspiring creativity. If you love oranges, like imagine stepping off a plane and into like an orange grove of trees, and that, just breathe that in, that aroma. Okay, this is that on steroids, okay? Because tangerine is like, it has the highest amounts of D-limonene than any other citrus oil. And what makes that helpful, all that means is that it's going to help you with keeping yourself and your kids healthy because it's great for your immune system. So during the school year, obviously this is beneficial. Again, you can also use this one in the diffuser. You can breathe it in like it's like orange on steroids. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. You can also add a drop of this in your water to help support your immune system, or apply it topically as well. So I love this one. Also, if you need to add a little happiness into your life, citrus oils are great for that. So if you're trying to get the kids up in the morning and need to get happiness going instead of whatever else is going, put a couple drops of the tangerine and the spearmint into your diffuser. I'm actually going to be sharing some more tips on what to be doing with these oils, some recipes, including even giving away a DIY booklet that you can make drinks with these oils inside our VIP BOGO Deals group. So if you're not a part of that group, you can put in the comments VIP BOGO Deals and we can help you get plugged into that group. But that's where we share all the great content about these 3 oils, and we do a lot more giftings and give away a lot more information about these and recipes and everything, so that you can know what to do with them. Okay, so lemon, doTERRA's lemon is sourced in Italy, and this is actually doTERRA's #1 selling oil for its many uses. We use this personally in our home, especially in washing our dishes. I love the way it cuts grease, and we hand wash since we live in our 5th wheel, and so we don't have a dishwasher. Our hands are our dishwasher. I love using this, a couple of drops in my dish soap for cutting the grease. It's excellent. But for keeping kids focused during homework time, this is great to pop in the diffuser with maybe your peppermint or your spearmint, and cleaning up anything sticky that the kids have gotten in places. Okay, so as you're prepping to go back to school, if there's stickers everywhere, if there's sticky anywhere, I have a friend who even got her gum out of her kid's hair with the lemon oil. So if you've got that Goo Gone stuff, I used to have that Goo Gone stuff in my house, and you guys, that's filled with lots of toxic chemicals. Kick that to the curb, and you can easily replace that with your lemon oil. All you need is a couple of drops to be able to get off whatever the goo is that you need to. Plus, you can add this in your drinking water as well, and it'll provide like that natural daily cleanse that your liver needs to keep the toxins out. So all of these, like if you bought the spearmint, the tangerine, and the lemon, the member price for that is $54, and the non-member price I think is $72. But you can get all of these for $28 today. $28 for all 3 of them. I love that. So again, if you want to learn more about how you can get your own DIY booklet, the Drink Up the BOGO, you can join in our VIP BOGO Deals group. Just put that in the comments. here's how you can get these BOGO items today. So to take advantage of them, if you already have your doTERRA account, you can go right into your account, log in, and just put the Spearmint into your loyalty rewards order. That's the best way to order to get your free shipping and get all the different discounts and added perks. Add your Spearmint in and your Tangerine and Lemon will just automatically populate. I think you can get up to 5 of these per account. And if you do not already have an account, I know, isn't it awesome? I can't wait to get mine today. And now last week, I will say last week's BOGO, the 2 different BOGOs, one of the BOGOs did sell out. So if this is something that you're wanting to get, I wouldn't wait till the end of the day because one of them did sell out and there were quite a few people who weren't able to get one of the BOGO items that they wanted. So if you want these, go ahead and snag them early today while you have the time. And if you don't already have an account with doTERRA, reach out to the person who invited you to this video, the wellness advocate that you're working with. If you don't have somebody that you're working with, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you get these today. And we can also show you how you can get started and get the member prices. So if it has been 6 months or more, if you've ordered on your doTERRA account, you're going to want to reach out to your wellness advocate so they can make sure that your account is active and that you can get the best discount on your BOGO today. So happy BOGOing, everybody. This is the final thing. So I don't know, who knows when doTERRA will have something like this again. Hopefully near the end of the year. We'll see. They're always keeping us on our toes. We'll see you guys. Oh, before I forget. So as we're talking about back to school, here's what's coming up next. So I want to tell you, if you have kids that are going back to school, or you yourself are transitioning to back to work and those kinds of things, or you have a grandchild that's going back to school and you want them to have the best school year this year, we are actually going to be sharing in a private group called Essentially Educated. This is a group that we have available to those who are just curious about doTERRA and those who are new members with doTERRA. If you yourself or someone you know is kind of just curious about doTERRA, they don't have them in their home yet, but they're wanting to find out more or get answers, or maybe they're a little skeptical and they want more answers without having to make a commitment with anything yet, then have them join in that group. If you want to, just type in school class, because we're going to be doing a class all about how to have a successful school year using tools that work. We're going to be talking about essential oils, but that's not the only thing we're going to be talking about. We're going to be sharing about lots of different tools to tackle the different challenges with sleep routines and homework time and keeping the kids healthy through the school year, all those kinds of things that are the top topic that most parents and teachers have. We're going to be sharing about that inside that group. That's going to be on August 6th. Then the following week, we're going to be sharing about the school year and as it relates to special needs and special challenges. That's my area of expertise. And so we're going to be tackling and diving a little bit deeper in that area. So if you yourself or you know someone, even if you're watching this on the recording, click the share button or tag them in this, and I'll make sure to put in the comments the link to that group where those 2 classes are going to be, and we'll be happy to help answer questions in a no pressure environment for them to make the best decisions for their family for the school year. So happy BOGering, everybody, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.